When I spray this, I smell this incredible sweet creamy vanilla, like a fluffy type of vanilla that is creamy, and then the brown sugar that's coming up through it, and the praline, and hey guys, how are you? Welcome back to my channel, y'all. I am so excited about Dossier's review today. No, I'm not excited. I'm ecstatically excited about Dossier's review today. I'm pretty sure, as you guys can see by the title, that we have the iconic, the infamous, the one and only vanilla that goes with every scent there is. You can mix it with everything. Vanilla, vanilla, vanilla. Inspired by Vanilla 28, Kayali. I don't know whether to give y'all that first, because I know this is what you came for. How many vanilla girls we have in the house? Okay, I know I am a vanilla girl. So let's go ahead on and get into this review. Our first one would be Woody Lychee, which is inspired by Louis Vuitton Attrape Reds. I have this in an oil. And I'm telling you, I had to get it in the perfume. When I found out that Dossier, I said, you know what? Let's do this. Okay, so the notes are lychee, praline, and patchouli. They don't have the card. Usually it comes with like a card, y'all. So the smaller ones in the newer packaging, which is really beautiful. This packaging is so beautiful. It does not come with a card, but it does give you some of the notes right here on the side. So it says your lychee forward rose bouquet and patchouli gourmand fragrance fantasy is now a reality. So they have it on here, the notes and everything, and they have it in another language. I love the new packaging that they have. I think it's so chic and so nice. The packaging compared to the regular boxes are pretty much smaller, and I'm okay with it. On the back of here, it has the name of it. So we have the Dossier. We have the box that it comes in, and it says crafted in France for you. So I love this because, girl, when I don't know about you, but when I spray, it hits me everywhere. All in my mouth, my jaw, my everywhere. So let me tell you about this. This smells so sophisticated. This smells so grown and sexy. Baby, this is beautiful. This is just so beautiful. Let's go ahead and spray. Let's go ahead and get a sprayer here. The bottle is so chic, so nice. Look at the sprayer. Magnetic top. It comes with a magnetic top. Y'all, that smells so good. It smells like it's edible a little bit. This is definitely a gourmand, y'all. It's definitely a gourmand. Definitely. What we have in here? We have lychee. I smell that. The praline. I love the praline, and I love the patchouli. I love patchouli, and I love the praline. Praline is, I'm pretty sure it's more notes in here, y'all, but this is basically what it gives on the packaging. This smells like date night. It smells so sophisticated, so sexy. And when I sprayed this on me, this gave me every bit of 5 hours. And it still lingered, y'all. It smells really good. I'm talking about on your clothes. Now, I'm an over sprayer, y'all. It sprays really good on your skin as well. But on my clothes, it gave me every bit of 5 hours. And it still was lingering. It was strong for 5 hours. And then it gave that linger. But this smells really nice. It has like a gourmand, but somewhat earthly to me. It smells a little like candy too, but not in a juvenile type of way. This smells really good, y'all. This is a date night. This is a date night. I say you can even wear this maybe on a luncheon, but spray before you go. This smells so beautiful. This is so beautiful. This is so grown and sexy. And it has a boldness to it. So when you first spray it, it has a very, 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 very heavy boldness to it. But then it dies down. So that's what I love about this. This one is inspired by Louis Vuitton Attrape Reds. Okay, so let's go ahead and get to the next one. The next one is going to be this one. This one right here is the Dossier Originals Unique Blends Happy Sniffing, y'all. So this one is a slice of heaven. I want to know what a slice of heaven tastes like, but I also want to know what it smells like. So I may not know what it tastes like, but I get a chance to smell it right now. So Slice of Heaven, the Icons collection. This is what this is. That's why you see the box is different. They want to, you know, let them know this is different from the original packaging. The original package is like this, but it's bigger. This is the color. So, A Slice of Heaven is the Icons collection. The top notes is peach, pink pepper, pear, black currant. The middle notes is caramel. I love caramel. I love caramel. Jasmine and orange blossom. Now, I love jasmine, but I like it to be smooth and nice, not too heavy, just a little bit. Orange blossom, we can do that. I love orange blossom. Vanilla, yes. Coffee, I can do. Because coffee, I mean, as long as the coffee not really strong, I'm good. Musk, I love musk. White woods and patchouli. Patchouli, I do like patchouli. So, this scent family is Amory and Gourmand. So, this says relish in a slice of heaven to smell like decadent caramel vanilla latte cake. Ah, baby. Okay. I'm not going to read the rest of this because I would like for you to do that yourself when you buy her because she's nice. It says, each icon is a thoughtful pairing of our most intoxicating, sophisticated, and complimented dossier notes to formulate a unique fragrance pyramid for each scent. I had a chance to wear her, sample her out for you guys, so that's what I'm about to do right now. Okay, here we go. Y'all, she smells so good. Now, let me tell you, I wore her. Oh my God. Y'all, she smells like, of course it's an iconic, the iconic collection, but to me, like, I know when I wore her before and I thought it, but I even think it even more now. The dry down smells like, what's that? Like YSL Black Opium. That's what it kind of like smells like. So if you want to know what this kind of smells like to me when it dries down, this gave me like a Black Opium, the YSL Black Opium smell when it dries down. But in the beginning, you get that peach. Let me spray it again. Yes, you get that peach, that pear, that patchouli. Oh my goodness. You get all of that, y'all. You get it all. The vanilla, when it dries down, really, really good. YSL Black Opium to me smells really sophisticated, really rich like. Now, this Slice of Heaven, I'm not saying that it is. I'm just saying that to me, it gives me that vibe in the ending when it dries down. When it dries down, you get that vanilla, you get the coffee, and you get the patchouli. That's what I see when it dries down. So this right here is really, really nice. This is, baby, this is a keeper, okay? This scent stayed on me for a very long time. I don't remember how many hours it was, but it stayed for a very, very long time. So this right here is Slice of Heaven, and this is Dossier's iconic collection. I love this scent right here for me. So let's go ahead on and get into what you came here for, okay? Of course we came for Dossier, period. I love Dossier. I'm in love with Dossier perfumes, and I will forever be in love with Dossier perfumes. So let's go ahead on, y'all, and get into the iconic, the icon of the icons, okay? Which is Woody Vanilla, inspired by Kayali Vanilla 28. Look at the packaging. So beautiful. This one right here, this packaging is another color. It's so beautiful, y'all. This is the packaging. So, this is an Eau de Perfume 1.74 ounce, 50 ml. Y'all, this is a unisex scent. Now, all of the other scents that I gave to you are women's scents. Okay, so let's go ahead and pull it out. We have the notes of vanilla. That's all I had, vanilla. Like holding vanilla up to the light, illuminating every facet of its texture, sweetness, and depth. Okay. Baby. The smokiness hit you right in your nose, okay? Soon as you open it, y'all, the smokiness like boom, and the vanilla like boom, here I am, come get me, girl. So, we're gonna spray. Baby, that brown sugar, this smells like a cookie. The brown sugar, when you hit it, the brown sugar, not when you hit it, when you spray it, the brown sugar knocks you in your face with the smokiness. Oh my goodness, y'all. You know, if you have had Kayali Vanilla 28, then you know what I'm talking about. Now, I have worn this several times, okay? Several times, y'all, because I love Vanilla 28. I am a Vanilla 28 fan, okay? I have so many of her fragrances. I love them. And I will not, I've spent the money, and I do not want to spend the money for it again. So for Dossier to get this, and it's $28, oh, MG, y'all. Like what? We're talking about a $150 bottle, and you're just getting it for $28, baby. You cannot beat that in no kind of a way. This is the iconic of iconics. This is the fragrance that goes with every fragrance that you spray. You can layer this with everything. So this is like, if you are a gourmand girl, you will love, 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 love the Inspired Vanilla 28. Now, when I first spray it, I do get the very sweet tooth scent of vanilla, brown sugar, and a cookie, like, or a cake type of, like a spicy cake type of situation, but it's vanilla-y. Like it's creamy in the vanilla, baby. Okay, I can describe some things to you, baby, when it comes down to these perfumes, because Dossier make them where though you can recognize what you smelling. You know, you get some perfumes you can't even recognize it, but it's in there. But baby, with Dossier, you recognize it, and you will. What if you are not a perfume person who study perfume and know the notes really well? You will know when you smell Dossier. I believe that, because they make it where though you can smell like you eating it yourself. You can taste it exactly right then and there. So when I sprayed the Woody Vanilla, guys, to be brutally honest with you guys, I loved it at first smell, first spray. It was really, really strong. Now we know that when you spray that with Kayali Vanilla 28, it hits hard. It sprays hard. Sometimes you gotta back up from it, okay? This one right here, when I spray it, I'm gonna see if I gotta back up, because I sprayed it before and I, you know, I don't have to back up from this. I would not be able to spray the other one like this. But when I spray this, I smell this incredible, sweet, creamy vanilla, like a fluffy type of vanilla that is creamy. And then the brown sugar that's coming up through it. And I mean, baby, all of the smells, okay? All of the smells that's coming through to my nostrils right now. And it smells really unoffensive. So when I sprayed it, I do smell the Inspired Kayali 28 version, but I really smell it when it comes down to the dry down. When it hits with the dry down, oh, that's straight Vanilla 28. That's straight Kayali Vanilla 28 when it dries down. But when you first spray it, no. When you first spray it, you will get this sweetness. You will get the DNA of it. You will get the smell of it. I mean, we talking about, you will get all of the beautiful, girly, sweet, sexy, sensual, sophisticated smell. You will get it all. That warmthness to it. You will get that. But when it dries down, baby, oh, that's when you think the beginning of it. No. When it dries down, that's when you get all of everything that is inspired by to give you, okay? So I would say that in the opening, you get something really beautiful. But in the afterwards, when it dries down, you get something extraordinary, which is the Inspired Kayali Vanilla 28, okay? If I can be able to, you know, portray it to you like that, I'm hoping that you understand what I'm saying, that this right here, baby, this right here, I will spray and spray and spray. And you know what? I can spray like this. You know why? Because this is only $28, baby. Would I spray my $150 bottle like this? Sure won't. Will not. Will not. Look at this. Beautiful. This does not have me like, I don't feel like I need to back up from this. This smells amazing. Y'all, I love Dossier. I love all of my fragrances. I love it because they care. I love it because the scents are clean. I love it because you can recognize what you have on, okay? You can recognize what you have on, and you don't have to spend a lot of money to be able to wear some fabulous, marvelous, just beautiful scents. Beautiful scents, y'all. These are just so beautiful. On their site, they have candles, they have perfumes, they have gift sets. They have a lot, y'all. They have a lot. Now I'm gonna tell you, oh, I would love to have a candle in the Woody Vanilla, the Inspired Kayali, as well as the Slice of Heaven. I would love to have a candle in these two right here, because these will light my home up and smell amazing. Y'all get your hands on those here. Go to their website. Look for yourself. They have some unisex. They have women and they have men. They let you know their notes. You even be able to see some of the people's reviews there, y'all. And they have some really nice reviews. They'll be able to tell you what is rating and all these other things. So if you haven't gotten your hands on Dossier yet, what are you waiting for? What are you waiting for? I have tons of videos. Other people have tons of videos. What are you waiting for? Okay? Get your hands on it. Save yourself some money. Don't be like that. Save yourself some money. All right, y'all. So I'm going to go ahead and get out of here. And I will have a link to Dossier's website as well as the scents that I tried today. And yeah, get yourself some Dossier, y'all. You guys be blessed and not stressed. Mwah.